Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to select your screen lock type in the Samsung Galaxy M15. I will shortly describe you every this type of lock. So go to the settings, then lock screen, and there is a screen lock type. And from here you can choose the pin. So there is the lock from the numbers, with the numbers. There is a password, so you can lock with alphabet and numbers. There is a pattern, so you can draw the pattern to lock your screen. You can choose the swipe, so you will swipe to enter your phone without any password from the phone. And you can choose the none, so to unlock your phone, just you will need to press this button to unlock your phone and enter your phone. Of course, you have two biometric case, that is a face unlock and fingerprint unlock. So that's it about the screen lock type. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!